How to download Instagram story with music. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can download Instagram story with music. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Instagram and here select the story that you want to download. For example, I want to download this story. I will just click on this arrow button, means share button, and here you have to click on copy link. The link is copied. After that, you have to open Google and here search for Instagram story downloader, and here you have to click on first app, and here you have to paste the link that we have copied and click on download. It takes some time, and here you can see download video option. Click on it and you can see our story has been downloaded successfully. Click on it, open, and here is the story that we have downloaded yet. So guys, in this way you can download Instagram story with music very easily. If this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.